Hello, I'm Tom Peach with Campbell-Sevey, and today we're going to talk about 2-bolt connectors. What I have here is a 2-bolt connector trap where the steam trap is actually separate from the unit and is attached by 2 bolts. You're going to notice here we can take off the 2 bolts, both a 9/16 connection, and we can simply remove the steam trap from the connector block that would be in line and remains in line in the steam system. As time has gone on, we've noticed that we still have a need for a strainer ahead of the steam trap, whatever type of design that we use, whether it's an inverted bucket trap, thermostatic disc trap, or actual thermostatic assembly trap. As time evolved on, instead of having the possibility to have a strainer as a secondary leak point, this 2-bolt connector trap assembly was upgraded to an IS2 connector that has an internal strainer and strainer blowdown. This will be the connector strainer blowdown, and we can see that the strainer is inside. So now we've modularized both the strainer and the 2-bolt connector block in the one connection. Now what we're going to notice on the back side of this machine surface is if somebody goes to put on the steam trap and torque it out, if they over torque the one side and then torque down the back side, this joint will still has an engineered stop and will still hold a hydrostatic pressure of 5,000 psi. So it's a very, very good joint, differentiating their design from the rest of the industry. Now as time evolved on, people decided that we needed to have inlet valves and outlet valves. So this progressed into the next design, which is called a TVS 4000 trap. Previous versions we have talked about, or previous discussions, we've talked about the benefits of a Klinger valve on the inlet and outlet of a trap on a cast iron series. The same concept was put into all cast stainless steel investment housing, and it has the same features. Here again is a 2-bolt connector. The steam trap again can go on the back side, tighten up your bolts, and it also has a strainer built inside of the assembly. This trap station also has a test port where you can open up this port and have the flow of the condensate that would be coming from the steam trap hung on the backside. Instead of discharging to the downstream pipe, it would discharge atmosphere through this port, so we can do a visual indication if the steam trap is working correctly. Typically, you would find a 2-bolt connector block in high-pressure steam applications, predominantly for drip traps, and also a lot for steam tracer applications in refineries. It's a very good product for that. Okay, so this gives you a general indication of the evolution of the 2-bolt trap and how it ended in the TVS 4000 product.